Hey guys, welcome back to the Recomposition series. So in this video, I'm going to wrap up the 3 phases that I go through recomposition. And again, this is from a fat loss and muscle retention process. As a point of review, in phase 1, I talked about the step as far as optimizing the metabolism, making sure the metabolism matches the goal at hand. Phase 2, which most people make the mistake of jumping right into phase 2, is the recomposition phase, where we actually lose the body fat, keeping the muscle, and getting down to the body fat we want to shoot for. Now, in this next phase, phase 3, I'm gonna call this maintenance. And so once we've achieved that goal through phase 2, how do we set it up for the next step? Check it out. So here's where we're at. We've hit our goals. We've hit our recomposition goals, gotten to the level of body fat we wanted to, retain the muscle. So now what we want to do is create a state of permanence or longevity. We want to figure out what is a sustainable level that we can maintain so people don't come back to the point where they're, oh man, I've got all this body fat to lose. So when determining this, you have to decide, is this a long-term sustainable approach, level that you can maintain? So in an extreme example, like a bodybuilder who's gotten stage condition, okay, this is probably not something they can maintain. So we have to get back to a level that's sustainable. Whereas somebody who says, you know what, I just want to look good at the beach, I'm proud of how I look, okay, that's a sustainable level that we can maintain. And what we want to do is we want to create the body's new set point. And this is a body where this is a place where your body is used to maintaining and feels comfortable over a sustained period of time. So what does phase 3 look like? Well, it involves going back to some of the principles we applied in phase 1, which is increasing the metabolism and getting it increased so we can maintain these levels while not losing the progress that we got in phase 2. Now, a key part of this is lifestyle. You know, we want to get people back to a lifestyle that they can maintain. So that involves, maybe some more intuitive eating, some of the ways that you have those good habits that you instilled in phase 2, but how can you maintain them throughout life so that way, again, you don't go back and revert back to where you were when this whole process started. So the question should naturally come up, which would be, Ryan, how long does phase 3 last? Well, actually, it should theoretically last forever because you're maintaining that goal of where you wanted to. Now, for some people, they might say, I've got a new goal that I want to hit, and that's awesome. Or, in the case of a bodybuilder, say, hey, I'm ready to step on stage again, let's go. So phase 3, yes, it could theoretically last forever, unless there's another goal that's set that you need to start the process again, starting with phase 1, going into phase 2, and then again, phase 3. Guys, I hope this series was insightful on how to properly do a recomposition. If you have questions, shoot me a message. I'm going to put in the description below the links to phase 1 and phase 2. Here's a link to the last video, phase 3. And again, if you're interested in hitting a goal, if you want to get your body to a new level with recomposition, again, reducing body fat while keeping the muscle, please reach out. Until in the meantime, stay tuned for more videos. Keep making every day count. We'll talk to you guys soon.